Honda has officially revealed the 2026 Honda Passport, and I think they did an amazing job. If you're one of those persons that was waiting for this vehicle, I mean, I wasn't, because I'm not a huge fan of like anything that's Japanese and off-road. I'm just not a huge fan of it, but I can, acknowledge when something is done correctly. And this is something that has been done correctly. And I actually love what I've been reading in the article. I love it, and I love what Honda has done. So the 2026 Passport is officially here, and we're gonna get into it. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy, and let's keep on rocking. Let's keep on growing together. So the 2026 Passport is officially here, and this is the video that we're playing up top, and it's coming in the early 2025. Now, what are the great things that are coming with this vehicle? Well, first off, it's a brand new vehicle, meaning it's completely refreshed, and we're going to get into the pictures. But the big but here is that we're not downsizing, we're not using an EV, we're not using turbo. It's just an old faithful 3.5 V6 with a 10-speed automatic, and that is going to be the powertrain across all trim levels. Now, the video that we're playing up top is the TrailSport, which it's the actual Passport itself is actually wider by an inch. It's got a longer wheelbase by 2.75 inches. It's coming in wrapped on 18-inch wheels, but 31-inch tires. The 3.5 V6 that we mentioned with the 10-speed, but the TrailSport get real bash plates to pretty much cover the underbelly of the beast. Recovery points and all-terrain vehicles. So let's get into some pictures here because I cannot wait to see this. Now, we're looking at the interior, plain old Mama Jamma interior. I like it. It's got your stitching, your orange stitching to match that color for the TrailSport. You got your knobs in the bottom. You got your wireless charger there. You got your infotainment in the top. A very simple and very neat interior. I like this interior. I'm a fan of buttons, but I'm also a fan of a good infotainment that could give me some light up and I could watch videos or listening to music. Don't watch videos while you're driving. That's actually a hazard. Ignore that part. But I like a big infotainment, but I like my knobs. I like to get in there. I like to turn my AC. I like to turn it off. And this is what we can see here. Now, we got another picture here, and this is another trim. We still got your orange stitching, but we have a bit of tan on the interior. I'm not a fan of any light colors on the interior just because you're going to get them dirty, and that's just the way for me. Now, with this one, you can see that we have the TrailSport right up top. We have the orange, not the orange, the tan right in the middle, and I think it's pretty cool. Now, when it comes to the front, the optional hood scoop is not functional, which is more just like a look thing that you can see in the front. The Trail Boss does have the tow hitches in the front if you ever need to get towed out. Your big your TrailSport badge right in the back. So let's get into it and let's talk a little bit about the article. We're going to cover more pictures, of course. So despite the rough and tough exterior, the interior remains a nice place to be in the Honda cabin, which we covered it, and it's great. Now, the second row, which includes a larger redesigned underfloor storage area, creates a comfort for the new body styling. Now, it does have a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster right up top of the dash that we saw, which displays things like elevation, pitch, and roll on the TrailSport models. The central screen has been upgraded to 12.3 inches and comes with a standard CarPlay, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto, as well as suited with Google Apps. There's also new Bose 12-speaker audio system, so it's got about 12 speakers on the inside by Bose. The TrailSport model gets a 110-volt power outlet in the center console, and we could also see that it gets the wireless charging. So Honda isn't too specific on the pricing yet. Instead, they said that the Passport starting price will be in the mid-40s. The Passport will continue to be made by Honda's Auto Plant in Lincoln, Alabama, and will start appearing in dealerships in the early next year. That is great news. An off-road vehicle that feels great inside for the mid-40s. You cannot beat that. You cannot beat that at all. By the way, guys, I got a huge surprise. I actually went car shopping today because we need a car for the channel. So we're looking at a daily, we're looking at a project. Stay tuned. I got some great videos coming for you. So Honda says the platform was engineered from the very beginning with the intentions of giving the TrailSport a true off-road enthusiast capabilities experience, which also benefits the ride, the handling, and overall refinement of the entire Passport lineup. Thanks to the 72% increase of the front lateral rigidity and rigidity and rigidity and 50% increase in the rear torsion. Don't kill me, you know my English is the worst. Now, bright orange and functional front and rear points are said to be rated for twice the Passport gross weight. The all-wheel drive system now has its own logic system, and there's 2 extra cameras that will help you see where the wheels are on the trail. This covers pretty much your standard off-road. I love covering articles like this. You can't beat it. 2.75-inch longer wheelbase. It's wider by an inch. You get the front end here, which has the whole new LEDs. We see them there in yellow. And you get a brand new refined grille. Non-functional hood scoop, but it gives it a good look. You get a comfy interior. You get a standard 3.5-liter V6 with a 10-speed automatic. You can't beat that. And in the mid-40s, sign me up, Honda. Where do I sign? Because I like this vehicle. Now, as an enthusiast of Honda, you know, we started this channel with a Honda, and we did Honda EK, and we done the DC5. So I really like what I'm seeing here. Now, the article goes to say, but Honda wants to take the Passport seriously, particularly in the Trail Sport version. They make these good claims, and there's an off-road tune suspension, all-terrain tires, recovery point, and bash plates to cover the underbelly of the beast. I cannot wait to hear or to read you guys in the comments. What do you guys think? 2026 Honda Passport is here. All-terrain tires, 3.5-liter V6, covers all the works. I love it. I like it. Sign me up. Honda, we're in business. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys on the next one. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. Let's keep on rocking.